I've got 4 reasons for you to use to be able to reach out to your database. I know sometimes we have a challenge in ways to reach out because it just sounds spammy, and we want to connect with people deeper so that they don't feel like we're calling them and they're feeling used by it. Now, I've given you 3 big ones before: the directory, the event, right? Whether it's big or small, one-on-one coffee, and just reaching out to see how the market is doing and to get their ideas, right? Those are still great, but these 4 we haven't talked about. So let's dive right into this one. I'm Tristan. Welcome to Your Daily Real Estate, where I talk about things that can help your business, things to help you grow, whether it's mindset, actionable steps, usually 5 to 10 minutes. And today, I want to talk to you about this that I've got written down right here. 4 value-driven reasons to reach out that don't feel salesy and actually help your people. Now, I was going to say 5 because I've got a bonus one, which I'll give you. Now, the last one sounds a little bit salesy, but I think it's valuable right now. So here we go. Number 1, property tax appeal window. My wife did this for us two years ago, and it was great. I don't know why it slipped through, but here's what you would send. You'd send a short CMA, the assessor link, and ready to edit appeal letter. And this is how you would open up that conversation. It looks like the appeal window opens up on, put the date. Want me to send comps you can use? And you'll hear some people say, what does that mean, Tristan? Because we've tested this one. Or you hear people say, yes, or I've already done this. Right? And you could have a simple call to action. You could do this by email. You can do this by text. And if you're going to do it by email, the call to action is reply yes, and I'll email the packet. The key on this one, and you may want to change how you approach the opening, but the key to this is you're saving people thousands of dollars in certain areas, right? So I've got this outline. If you need it, let me know. Number 2, insurance coverage checkup. Insurance has been a big deal lately, especially in all over the place, but Florida, Texas, and California. And I live in a fire hazard zone. So this is big for us. What we send, a 1-page guide on replacement costs, a simple home inventory sheet, and 2 trusted insurance contacts. Now, for us, there's a lot of companies that don't do insurance that did it before. So, and the other thing that we do is we simply let them know that now in an email or a text, it's not like it used to be where you'd actually have to fill out everything. I just tell my clients, hey, take pictures of certain parts of the room, split it into 4, and upload it to ChatGPT and have it listed for you for your insurance company, just in case you lose all these items, right? And ChatGPT is nuts that it can do that and also put the pricing for everything. So it gets very crazy, and it helps a lot. But this is how I would open it. Many policies are underinsured after recent price jumps. Want a quick coverage check? That's it. And the call to action is I can intro you to 2 pros for quotes. You do whatever you want. That's how we do it. Number 3, energy and water rebates. Again, in our area, big. What to send? For us, a local rebate cheat sheet for HVAC, window, solar, EV charges, turf removal, and low flow fixtures. For us, we open it up pretty easy. I've got right here, it says the city has new rebates that can cut utility bills. Want the list with links? ? Right? And that could be into text, which we actually do send. Call to action, say rebates, and I'll text the PDF. Easy, right? Last one before the bonus, neighborhood change alert. What to send? A mini update on new permits, roadwork, school boundary notes, and notable sales within a half mile. So I kind of mix the real estate with what's actually happening in your neighborhood. So it's not just real estate. And this is how I open it. A few changes are coming near you. Want a short neighborhood update? ? Call to action is really simple. I can email it or drop a printed copy. What's best? Easy. And then the bonus one that I said sounds a little bit salesy. I call this the Your 3-Path Equity Plan. Here it says what to send. Keep versus rent versus sell. So 3 things. Do you keep it? Do you rent it? Do you sell it? 1-pager with today's value of your home, rent comps, and net sheets. And then typically what I send out, and I've only tried this one time, but because I felt it was a little salesy, so I was trying to modify the verbiage with the interest rates just dropping. And I just tested this out last week because rates just came down a little bit more. I put curious what your equity could do right now, ? I can run 3 quick scenarios, right? And if you want to include the quick 3 scenarios there in the text, it could be keep the home, rent the home, or sell the home. Call to action, tell me your address and I'll build it. Or tell me your address and I'll send it over. Anyway, that's it. Hopefully this helps. If you need it, just message me on Instagram or YouTube. I'll send it over. And do me a favor, share this with somebody who you think will like this or benefit from it, and subscribe to the newsletter. It's in the link in the description. Have an awesome day.